How do you handle making a correction or erasure on a car title? This is Dave at cartitles.com. Many cases, in filling out the blanks on the back of a vehicle title, there's places for odometer reading and mileage and names and dates and places. And if you make an error in any of those places, use caution if you're going to erase something, using whiteout, changing something, because in many cases, that correction or erasure or other type of alteration of any words will make the entire title void. The way that the DMV is going to look at it is like, this is a change to a legal document. They're not going to want that. So if you do make an error, stop right there before you do anything else and see if you can either get a duplicate or bring it to the DMV to have them give you instruction on how to go forward. One of the most common errors made is to try to change a number on a mileage, because you might write down a 9 and say, no, that was really an 8, and you try to make it into an 8. But if they see that there's any correction on mileage, there's actually very strong federal laws on documenting mileage on vehicles. So you want to make sure that you don't make any changes, corrections, erasures, alterations. That may invalidate the entire title, not just the mileage. So if you have a vehicle title you're transferring, write very carefully, write slowly, make sure you have good information. If for some reason you do make a mistake, don't try to go back and fix it. The worst thing you can do is use whiteout. Any whiteout on a title, as far as our experience has been for the last decade, you're going to have that title kicked back. So make sure you don't use whiteout on a title, and be very wary of trying to erase something. If you have questions about processing vehicle titles on motor vehicles or even trucks and motorcycles, you can reach us at our website at cartitles.com.